What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon, it still is, and welcome to this video in which we'll talk about Quant. We'll be doing a full technical update on Qnt, which is the main token of Quant obviously, but I'll also give some fundamental insights. Alright, so let's get right into it. As you can see, Quant has been bearish for a while now. Now, not fully due to Quant, alright? Quant is still an amazing project, especially for next bull market, and with that, the Qnt token still has an amazing future, especially with how it's being used in the Quant project. But I'm not going to talk about that too much. But yeah, but we have been bearish, especially last Friday. Well, that wasn't really the problem of Quant because that was just a move. What I always call it a fundamental move. It was throughout the entire crypto market. Correlation turned to 1 for a brief moment, or for a day actually, and we were bearish due to multiple reasons. An unchanging monetary policy from the Federal Reserve, which met the Wednesday before. Then we already started dropping. But apart from that, there was also more fear around the markets, around the proof of reserves and the auditing firms doing that. So bearish momentum made us drop. All right, so what then happened is we dropped down to the support level around where we are right now, technically between $112 and $108, which is the level we have been holding. All right, not very very strong. And essentially it's more between 112 and 107. It's 108 is just too high for the lower bound. But we've been in that consolidating. Obviously in the weekend, volume dropped down, volatility dropped down, so then you consolidate there. And the thing is that right now you can also see is that there's some bearish momentum has started. We've been making lower highs ever since the 5th of December, and even though we only have one lower high, we also have broken through our bullish momentum, right? So until this bearish breakout Friday, you could still argue that the market structure was actually, well, a little bit bullish at least. Now it isn't anymore. So the best possible thing is that it's consolidating. But then you have these EMAs weighing on top of us, which makes it a little bit more bearish. So the market structure is bearish, and therefore what I expect for QNT is that we will get up to 112, or 112, excuse me, not 1012. And I do expect a bearish breakout through 107. And once that breaks, we'll drop down all the way to $100 and $98. That's kind of the strongest level there. And then we will consolidate, but I will also make another update whether I think we can hold that level or not. The thing is that there's just a very strong resistance level on top of us, right? And you could also argue, and some people talked about that in the Cilinix Crypto Discord. You could also argue that we're making some sort of a head and shoulders pattern. So arguably it would be something like this, which I don't really use head and shoulders like that, but it would confirm it a lot. Then you would have a neckline of about here. Excuse me, I cannot draw this. This looks like nothing. But yeah, I mean that is another confirmation as well. I mean, we have had a bearish breakout through that neckline, which would arguably run a little bit like this. Had a bearish breakout as well, took a break retest, so that would confirm something like that as well. The only way in which something like this would really be prevented is if Quant could really break above 112 and get towards 118 and 120. If we can do that, then this is invalidated, because that means that we have, for some reason, either Quant being bullish or the market being bullish, we have more bullish momentum. All right, so if for some reason we can do that, then we are probably going to get into somewhat more of a consolidation, but at this point of time, this looks very unlikely. So yeah, that's my take on Quant for now. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know down in the comments, but for now, take care, have a great evening, and bye.